Hello everyone. If you have a program that you use every time you start your computer, you can make it run automatically with Windows. In this video, I'll show you a very simple method using the Windows startup folder. Let's see how to do it. First, press Windows and R on your keyboard and type this and press enter. This opens the startup folder. Any program shortcut placed in this folder can automatically run when you sign in to the Windows. Now let's use a real example to understand why this is useful. Here I have a AutoHotkey script. That I use to turn the caps lock key into a shortcut key, which I have already made a video on this topic previously. You can check the video by clicking on the I button above. For example, I can use caps lock with different keys to quickly open programs such as Notepad, Chrome, Calculator, and Edge. Let me show you. When I run this program, now if I press the shortcut like to open the Notepad, simply I have to press caps lock and N, and this will open Notepad. Again, if I press caps lock and C, and this will open Calculator. This is very convenient because I don't have to search for this program every time. But there is one problem. When I restart Windows, my AutoHotkey script is not running, so my caps lock shortcut doesn't work. I have to manually find the script and run it again. If I use this script every day, doing this every time I start my computer can become annoying. So instead of starting the script manually every time, let's make Windows start it automatically. And this is where the startup folder we opened earlier becomes useful. First, locate your AutoHotkey script. Right click the script file and select copy as path. Now go to startup folder again by pressing Windows and R and typing this. Now under the startup folder, right click on the blank space, then create, select new and select shortcut. Now simply paste the part which you have copied earlier. Let's paste it and remove the inverted comma and simply press next and finished. And the shortcut to the caps lock has been added into the startup folder. Now we have a shortcut to the script. That's it. We don't need to change any Windows settings or create a complicated commands. Now when you restart the computer and see the caps lock script is running in the background. And that's how simple it is to make a program run automatically when Windows starts. You can use the same method for other programs or scripts that you want to start automatically. Just remember, create a shortcut to the program and place that shortcut inside the startup folder. This can save you from manually opening the same program every time you start your computer.